Hey everyone, welcome back to Play with Gaga, the channel where we have fun while making a positive impact on the world. I'm your host Gaga, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart. I am talking about the environment. So, buckle up for an eco-fun adventure that'll not only entertain you, but also inspire positive change. First up, turning off the lights. Did you know that by simply turning off the lights when you leave a room, you're not only saving energy, but also reducing your carbon footprint? It's a small step that makes a big difference. Let's kick things off with the lights off challenge. Throughout this video, I'll be turning off lights in my house. Can you beat my score? Share your results in the comments below. Next on our list is recycling. Recycling is like giving a second life to our everyday items. I've got this challenge for you. Take a look around your home and find 3 items that can be recycled. Snap a picture and share it on social media with the hashtag #RecycleChallenge. Let's see who can get the most creative. You can also generously donate a toy you no longer use to a child in need. It's another way to give it a second life and bring joy to someone. Not only toys, but you can also donate clothes that are too small for you because you're growing so fast, or you can wear hand-me-downs from older siblings or cousins. Alright, let's chat about eating in a cool way. What we choose to eat can really help our planet. So, if you can, try picking yummy meals that are kind to the earth, like using local ingredients. It's like a special meal that helps the environment. Another awesome way to eat super healthy and be a planet hero is to skip munching on super processed and factory-made snacks. Go for tasty and natural foods instead. Composting is like magic for the earth. Instead of tossing your food scraps, like apple cores and banana peels, in the trash, put them in a special bin called a compost bin. Those scraps turn into super nutrient-rich soil that helps plants grow. It's like giving the earth a big, yummy hug. So, by composting, you're a superhero for the planet. Staying hydrated is crucial, but single-use plastic bottles are a big no-no for the environment. Throughout this video, I'll be showcasing the benefits of using a reusable water bottle. Join me in the Hydrate the Earth challenge. Let's talk about amazing ways to get around that are great for the environment. Whether it's the bus, metro, or train, these options not only reduce traffic and air pollution, but also make our cities happier and healthier. And for those sunny days, grab your bike or scooter for an eco-friendly adventure. And when winter arrives, swap the bike for a sled and keep the eco-friendly fun going. Let's inspire each other to keep it green all year round. Finally, let's connect with nature. I'm taking a break from the studio to enjoy a walk in the park. Nature not only rejuvenates the soul, but also reminds us of the beauty we must protect. That's a wrap for the first ever Play with Gaga Eco Fun adventure. I hope you enjoyed the challenges and are motivated to make positive changes in your daily life. Remember, every small action counts, and together we can create a greener, cleaner world. If you had fun today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more eco-friendly adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep playing with Gaga and keep it green. Bye bye.